from Punjab. Tomorrow, Captain Amrinder Singh is going to be in Delhi to meet Congress President Sonia Gandhi. But before that, it seems that he is getting an electric shock from all sides. The BJP, Akali Dal, Aam Aadmi Party already gunning for the captain. And today he got friendly fire from Navjot Singh Sidhu, even though bang in the middle of this electricity shortage, which has crippled the state of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh has blamed the previous government run by the Shiromani Akali Dal for signing faulty deals, which has led to the current crisis. However, the Aam Aadmi Party, Akali Dal and BJP together are making sure that people get to know that this is the most important election issue just 6 months before the state goes to polls. Joining us now on the debate, Sanju Verma of the BJP continues with us. We are joined by Dr. Suman C. Raman and Tehseen Poonawalla, both political analysts. Tehseen Poonawalla, it seems things are looking a little dark for Captain Amrinder Singh at present. Suman C. Raman.
Padmaja, see, first of all, I think that there are two things here. One is the infighting that is going on in the Punjab Congress. But electricity, yes, can give a shock at the time of elections. I've seen it in many, many states, most notably my own state 10 years ago, when a party was hounded out of power because of the power crisis. So, if I were Captain Amrinder Singh, I would be worried and more focused on the power cuts and power shortages that Punjab faces. Not so much as to what the Akali Dal says or what the Aam Aadmi Party says. And of course, Mr. Sidhu, if he wants to distribute 300 units free of power, should have been saying that to his chief minister and to the cabinet, rather than come out in the public 4 months or 5 months before an election.
Okay.
So I think that this is not a...
And Sanju Verma, Captain Amrinder Singh is saying that it's basically the faulty deals that the Akali Dal BJP government signed. Now he's and the people of Punjab are paying the price.
I want to say one thing very clearly, that Navjot Singh Sidhu has defaulted on his electricity dues for the last 9 months in a row to the tune of 8.67 lakhs. So I think instead of blaming the BJP, questions should be asked of Navjot Singh Sidhu. Are public representatives not accountable, or is accountability a dictum that only the Modi government and its leaders and its cabinet ministers need to abide by? Why is it that the opposition is not held to the same standards of transparency and accountability? Point number one. The more important point, Padmaja, is that I was doing some homework before coming on your show, and I found out that annually Punjab is doling out 9,000 crore as subsidy on electricity to farmers and other various groups. And despite a subsidy bill of 9,000 crore per annum, still there are large parts of Punjab in Ludhiana, Amritsar, Barnala, etc., which have electricity outages of 10 to 12 hours a day. Can you imagine power cuts to the tune of 10 to 12 hours a day with, temperatures as high as 42 and 43 degrees centigrade? Are no questions going to be asked of Captain Amrinder Singh? When we are,
what is this mishandling?
No. You need to ask questions. We need to ask questions of you. Why are not asked questions by that logic?
Tehseen Poonawalla.
Amrinder Singh.
Goals, SOPs with the result, now you have 12-hour power cuts. Tehseen Poonawalla.
Absolutely. I admit I have 12-hour power cuts, and the reason I have 12-hour power cuts, as you rightly said, is these power purchase agreements that, if you go into the details of which I have, forbid me from getting other private players in. And number two, the union government, as you heard Sanjuji say that, farmers are being doled out, is so anti-Punjab that the central grid just does not help me to give me extra power. Now, what needs to be investigated is whether these power purchase agreements, the companies, these distributor companies that have a monopoly, have by electoral bonds donated to the BJP, because this seems like an absolute fraud that prevents me from going to other power purchase, to other people who can give me power. One last point I would like to make. Sanju Verma is factually wrong. Sidhu settled his bill.
No, I think
Sanju Verma is not factually wrong. The point... Okay, Tehseen, let me tell you, I am not factually wrong. The problem with you is that you are a Congressy acolyte and you come on debate without doing homework. Let me tell you something, Padmaja.
Okay. Please. No personal comments.
Please, please.
Let her make. That's the only debate she can.
Let me come to the
You've
main
heard
point,
MP
Padmaja.
vessels make the most noise. You've heard MP
Let me
vessels
not-
make the most noise.
let me
Let
not
it be.
be heckled
Make
by
the noise.
Tessie.
Make noise.
Tessie,
Only
please have
make noise.
patience to listen.
What else is there?
Padmaja, can I finish?
Please make personal comments.
Okay,
MP
now
vessels
one at a
make the
time.
most
Please see,
noise.
this is how things get derailed. Now from here, we'll just do tutu meme. Okay, everyone's audio down.
Right.
Sanju Verma and then Dr. Sumansi Raman back. Yes.
Tehseen said that the central government is not allowing the Punjab government to renegotiate old power purchase agreements. Tehseen Poonawalla, you know nothing about power distribution, which is a state subject. Power generation comes under the aegis of the central government, but after power has been generated, the task of distributing it is the responsibility of respective state governments, and Haryana has been giving surplus power to Punjab. Please do some homework, give some credit to the ML Khattar government and
Okay.
ask tough questions of Amrinder Singh.
Tehseen
Why
Poonawalla
have we
respond.
failed in power despite the fact that CPAs were renegotiated 2 years back? I will tell you why. The finance minister of Punjab, Manpreet Singh Badal, again a Congress member, said, the fact is that we have run out of money. We have a debt currently in Punjab of 2.5 lakh crore. That is the reason you are not able to continue to give power to people, because 4 सालों में
Okay.
सब्सिडी दे देकर आपने पंजाब
Mr.
की
Poonawalla,
अर्थव्यवस्था
respond.
का बुरा हाल कर दिया.
And it's coming back. It's coming back to bite you. Tehseen Poonawalla.
I never said that the central government is not allowing them to renegotiate because that is not a state subject. I said the central government is not giving extra power from the central grid to Punjab. The Haryana power that she's talking about was already in the previous agreement in the PPA. She's right about the debt, which is all left by the Akalis, which she leaves half the sentence out. And therefore, I say what must be investigated is whether these private purchase power agreements that were done by these private players, did they donate to the BJP and therefore created a monopoly which will now have to be changed. And they are not going into the question of that.
How can you make such charges without any iota of evidence, Tehseen Poonawalla?
I have evidence.
Of electoral bonds, where is the evidence? You have suddenly made this leap into electoral bonds for the BJP. Do you have any evidence for it?
Yes, on your show. I dare Sanju Verma,
What
please.
happens to
I dare
people in Punjab?
Please, Sanju Verma ji, let's make it intellectual. I dare Sanju Verma ji to put out a list of the electoral bonds, those who have donated to the BJP. You will see that those who have got into the power purchase agreement in Punjab have donated to the BJP. If not, put it out transparently. Please put it out transparently. You've taken money and destroyed Punjab.
Debate is that today you have one official.
You
chief
have
minister
taken money and
one
destroyed
unofficial
Punjab.
Chief Minister in Punjab. The topic of the debate is that Amrinder Singh has failed the people of Punjab and not implemented even 20% of his manifesto. So stop lecturing the BJP. Has Captain
You have
Amrinder
taken
Singh
money
even
and done it.
implemented?
Even if the BJP and the Akali Dal, Dr. Sumansi Raman, are only engaging in politics, now Navjot Singh Sidhu is raising pretty much the same concerns. So there's something rotten in the state of Punjab.
No. See, the electricity crisis has to be fixed. This is a responsibility of Captain Amrinder Singh, is right. But I want to, ask Sanju Verma ji. Look, Tehseen is on national television making a serious charge of electoral bonds potentially having been gifted to the BJP. There's only one way. To prove his call is not. Sanju Verma
Dr.
ji.
Sumansi Raman, this is baiting. You know what you're doing. You're baiting. There is no evidence, not a shred, an iota of evidence. There is nothing on the table or on the horizon to even suggest this. I mean, equally, you can argue the other way that the Congress has taken electoral bonds. I mean, this is neither here nor there. Dr. Sumansi Raman, this is totally a hypothetical debate in the realm of speculation and imagination.
No. What should Sanju Verma do? She should call Tehseen's bluff. She should prove that what he said is wrong. Put out the list. Put out the list.
Sir, you answer about what we have on the table right now. You have got 12 hours of power cuts happening. You tell us how that happened. And if the government has been in power for 5 years and there was such massive fraud that had been undertaken by the Akalis, why was the Congress government sitting on its hands for the last 5 years?
No,
They didn't realize that this fraud had been perpetrated on the state of Punjab?
My point is, was there a power purchase agreement or a number of power purchase agreements which prevented power from being procured from other parties?
That's the whole
How can such a power purchase agreement be
Power
signed?
purchase agreements are executed by the respective state governments. If you don't know
The
about
previous government is executed what is being said now. That's the whole charge. That your government
the audience
with the
of Times
Akalis
now is very
executed that.
aware. A power purchase agreement has to be executed by the state government. Power distribution is the responsibility of the state
Exactly,
government.
madam. The previous state government.
Efficiency of Amrinder
Yes,
Singh.
that's what we are also saying.
Be a
Previous state
spokesperson for
government.
Amrinder Singh, who is clearly the most overrated chief
Madam,
minister of India.
previous
He has
state
completely
government.
failed.
Okay, actually the argument being made by both the gentlemen is that the last government was the one which did the power purchase agreement, and hence it needs to be investigated whether the same company with which they struck the agreement is in some way a donor to the BJP. That is the allegation being made. But please, by all means, do put in an RTI. If you're saying there is any such evidence, it should be out there. That being said, for the last 5 years, if there was such a fraud which was perpetrated on the people, the taxpayers of Punjab, which has led to the present crisis, makes one wonder, why didn't anyone figure this out so far, which you, Mr. Poonawalla and Dr. Raman, have figured out in the course of a half an hour debate. I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you very much, both gentlemen and Sanju Verma, for joining. Thanks so much.